welcome back to my channel. My name is Lade. Thank you so much for stopping by on this video. Thank you so much. Please do also subscribe to my channel if you've not, and also share this video with your friends and family. As you read by the title, guys, I am doing a trip to Obudu Cattle Ranch, or as they call it now, Obudu Mountain Resort. I've been there before. I think I went there sometime in 2013, but like that was a long time ago. I mean, I go out of the country a lot, and I feel like promoting Nigerian tourism is the best way, is the best thing to do now. You know how Naira is falling to the dollar. Let's start to promote like Nigerian things. It's not a big fix. It's not a big fix, but it's a start. I can't wait to share like get up to with you guys on the trip. I am kind of packed. Here's my box here. I am still packing, just putting final touches to my parking. I'm going with a group, and then the group was supposed to go on a road trip from Lagos today. But I don't want to do road trip. I am like, I can't. Obudu is far. Obudu is far. Imagine trip from Lagos to Enugu, then Enugu to Obudu, then from the foot of Obudu to the top of the mountain. Nah, like that's too long. That's way too long. So I am flying to Enugu, and then I will spend the night in Enugu and then join my group to Obudu. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. My flight was supposed to be for 2. I got a message saying that they moved it to 4, and I hate evening flights because I mean everybody's tired, hostesses are tired, planes are tired, but God see me through. I'll go in peace and come back in peace. So yeah, let's do this. Why? These guys are in my hands. Guys, I need to come to where there is lights because in the actual room it's so dark. So guys, I am here in Enugu. I'm just staying here for one night because yeah, it's from here that we moved to Obudu. So the reason why people fly to Enugu rather than flying to Cross River and then doing a road trip to Obudu is because Enugu is actually closer to Obudu than in Calabar. Like, can you imagine? Can you imagine this? Enugu, another state, is closer to Obudu, which is in Cross River, than Calabar, that is also in Cross River. That's crazy. So we're staying here for the night, and then we move tomorrow. So I'm just here in this room. It's just a normal, basic room: bed, fridge, wardrobe, a chair and a desk, and then the bathroom. The bathroom is so weird. Just basic stuff, nothing spectacular. It's just for one night, and then after this I'm just going to find something to eat and yeah, call it a night because the actual trip starts tomorrow. So that is it for the room. Wait, it has a phone. Let's see if the phone works. What was I expecting? It don't work. It don't work. Good morning, guys. Morning this morning. Man, I had such a wonderful night's rest. Like, I didn't know I was that tired, but guys, I woke up very refreshed. And that's how I know like I was super tired. So I am getting dressed now on my way to for my trip to Obudu. I'm just wearing something thick. I'm wearing like a sweater like sweatshirt because it gets cold over there. I'm going to show you my full outfit when I'm done. I want to do a little bit of makeup, like the no makeup look, because I mean I'm going to take pictures at the entrance of Obudu. So let me just do something small in like 10-15 minutes. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Yeah. Hey guys, so I am dressed and ready. This is what I'm wearing. this bucket hat and the socks to match. I even had a water bottle also to match. I got from YouTube Shorts, and I feel like this is the best time to show it off. So we leave in a minute, so let me go out. We are on our way to Obudu. Here are my travel mates. Neka. Mr. You said so. And hello. So yeah, we're moving. If you had come down since, you would have. Just stopped to buy some things, but roasted yam, not roasted, fried yam and plantain. Welcome to Obudu! Yay! Just stopped by this call. Oh, whose water is this?
It's mine.
Okay.
I think that when I got there, boy, it's fault. That's the point.
Just took amazing pictures at the entrance. So good. Just started our journey from the foot of the ranch to the top, and even this one is a journey on its own, a very long one at that. I just finished from the reception to fill some forms here on the mountain. You guys, you owe me 5,000. Guys, we are here. This place is so fine, so nice. I like that they leave it very clean. It's gorgeous. He said not to my life, but it's fine now.
Hi, welcome to Obudu. My name is Mr.
Voiceover Lade here with a room tour of this facility. So this is called the Mountain Villa, and it's a 3-bedroom apartment. This is the kitchen, the dining area. I mean, some of the parts are dilapidated, but like all in all, it still looks very clean and nice. This is the sitting room. It has chairs, it has some nice artwork. The television actually works, the DSTV works. And bear in mind, I'm shooting this at night. I didn't want to wait till the next day because I wanted to start activities the next day, so I'm shooting this at night. And then this is the second dining area. This is the balcony from the ground floor. There's another one on the upstairs floor, and I'm going to be showing you just one room in this apartment because all the rooms look the same, and I'll be showing you the one that I will be staying. So yeah, let's go up. Like I said, it's a duplex, a 3-bedroom duplex. And then this is my room. This is the bed. It has a desk nook. The bed is actually so comfortable, and then you have heaters in place of ACs. This is the bathroom, what it looks like. It is, I mean, just there. It has a shower, and then on the other side you have a bathtub, so you can either use the shower or the bathtub. This place also has hot water, working hot water. It's just that the night that we got in, they didn't turn it on, so I didn't use hot water to bathe this particular night, but then subsequently I did. This is the balcony from the top floor, and then the entire view, and then back into my room. So yeah, it is nice, good. For
My
dinner.
pickings, you should serve yourself as I can take.
Suya pepe in hand. Very important.
I'll come and video your food as it's very nice. So that's
That's too much now.
What do you mean?
That's too.
Guys, I've just been here working since dinner because I have a video due that I need to submit today. I can literally say that, oh, let me just submit this thing tomorrow, but once I've signed a contract, even though I have like loopholes and leeway, I just like to stick with it. I'm just a woman of principle when it comes to work. And even if it's 10 p.m, if I tell you you're going to get first drafts today, you will get it. So I've just done the transfer now, and then I can proceed to basically retiring for the night. Guys, work never stops. Trust me. Anyways, I need to go shower now. There is no hot water in this place. No hot water. In this cold weather, I have to... What's going on? I'm interested. In this cold weather, I have to bathe with cold water. But I'll do it. I'd rather just bathe tonight. Even if it's 12 midnight, I'd rather just do it tonight than tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, I feel like it's going to be worse. We can't even turn on the heater because the big gen isn't working. I'm just going to wear this sweater and wear socks to sleep.